Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Friday, October 5th, 2018. This weekend, there is no homework across the board. However, there are two reminders that I do have. Number one, we will be finishing our adding and subtracting mixed numbers quiz in math on Monday. So if you are unsure of how to do that, you could use this opportunity over the weekend to prepare and study for that by reviewing notes or looking for example problems on the internet. In literature, all AR points are due in 2 weeks. If you go into your grades on Progress Book, notice that there is a grade that is in there right now for AR points. And if you do not have any, or if you have very few well below your goal, you're going to see that it is having a negative impact on your grade. So in order to turn that around and to raise your grade, you are down to 17 days left in school, or 17 days total, to get all of your AR points. It's going to be it for today. Go Warriors tonight, beat Vikings. Go Indians. Hopefully we got a 2-0 lead coming back to school on Monday. Go Buckeyes. Go Ravens. And best of luck to our 6th grade football team as they play under the lights on Sunday this weekend. That's it for today. We'll see you later.